Hey guys, what is up? Scott from Civic Edge Lifestyle here, and welcome to another review video for the XMAS Income Monster, as you can see right here. First of all, I'd like to say thanks for joining me today. If you would like to check out the XMAS Income Monster and receive the 10 bonuses, the 5 that the creator offers and the 5 that I offer, and we'll go through what I have for you in a little bit here. If you want to check it out, though, the link is down in the description in the comment section, as well as a link in the comment section and description section of my review website, where you can check out this review and other reviews that I've written on other make money systems or make money online systems and things like that, traffic sources, anything you could need for affiliate marketing. And also, if you'd like to check out my top traffic sources, that's something that has been doing really well. People are absolutely loving my traffic sources. I have a list of traffic sources in a resource page that I put together for everyone. If you're interested in doing affiliate marketing and you want more traffic sources, my traffic sources are offered on that page. And the link is down below again in the description and the comment section. So let's get to today's video. So the XMAS Income Monster is created by, just give me one quick second here, Dawood. I've been working with Dawood for some time. I absolutely love his products that he offers, and that's why I've gone and actually I have actually gone and put together 5 great bonuses to help you with this. And Dawood also has put 5 bonuses together for his offer. Usually this time of year, he's actually a traffic specialist. He deals with a lot of traffic, and he offers traffic. Now, I'm gonna let you guys know, Dawood, first of all, he offers traffic for like $10, and he offers traffic rotators and stuff for like $10, $5, things like that. Now the traffic rotators, he goes and sends them out all like every day, things like that. So he'll send out your affiliate links and things like that every single day in the rotators and things like that. The work that he puts into everything is just crazy. I'm personally going to I'm going to read out his profile thingy here, but I just wanted to say, first of all, if I were to do the same thing that Dawood does, honestly, I'd be charging way more than $10. So you're already getting a killer of a price going with anything from Dawood. The work that he puts into everything is just crazy. You know, I'm shocked because most people that offer anything to do with traffic or anything like that, and especially the work that he does for like done for you traffic and done for you everything. Personally, I mean, I'd be charging like $100 or something for the rotators that he has and things like that. And that's just for me to go and do the work for you and send out your link every day. Like that's what I would expect is $100. This guy has gone and offered things for like $5, $10, things like that, and done great work. I highly recommend anything of his, and especially this year, I would recommend going with this Christmas offer. Now, usually what the Woo does is he'll go and put together 3 or 4, 5, 6, 7 packages all in one package and basically offer some of his traffic packages that have done well over the years for people, things like that, and he puts them together in a bundle for Christmas. This year he wanted to do something different, simply because he hasn't been getting many sales lately on his traffic stuff. So he decided, well, I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to help people make some income this year instead, like offer a make money online kind of thing. And I think he mentioned it a little bit here in his profile, but I'll quickly read it. So, hi, I'm Dawood, and over the past few years, I have specialized in creating affordable evergreen traffic products and training products that everyone can use regardless of their levels of experience. Now, I do have to admit that he actually offers some email courses as well, some email marketing courses. Not quite sure of the price for those. I haven't quite checked out his email marketing course, but I know he has one. Again, I think it's like cheaper than even the better, like the not better, but the higher up mentors and stuff. I think his flagship course is like $20 or $30, whereas some of the higher up guys, they'll charge like hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars, things like that. So you gotta he's like the next level giveaway guy. Like he gives away crazy amounts of stuff, and I really do stand behind his products. So anyway, but today we're going to raise the bar even higher by letting you share in some of our success. Welcome to the XMAS Income Monster. We are going to give you guaranteed approval on 100% front-end commissions for 3 of our best-selling products this year. So he's giving 100% commissions straight across the board for 3 of his products they released this year. These products did very well, and I can attest to that. They were great products. I partook in some of them, and they were just amazing. But he's offering 100% front end commissions. I know I didn't get the one there, but that doesn't matter. So 100% front end commissions for 3 of our best selling products this year: the Big Traffic Bundle, Zombie Ghost Mailer, and Mail Our List 25. Great products. Again, if you have the chance to ever get them, get them. They're amazing. I believe a couple of them I did do reviews for, Zombie Ghost Mailer and Mailer List 25 on my website. So again, check that out if you want. Even on its own, that's a great starting point for success, but we're also going to do something that we've never done before. We are going to add your affiliate links to our internal promotions for these 3 products. So he's basically doing a done for you business. He's offering these 3 things with 100% front end commissions and adding your link to the to his inner promotions. So in other words, he's sending your links out, and I would strongly recommend getting in on this now, guys, by the way, because he's only had 50 sales, which means you don't have much competition. There's other people that would offer something like this and have like thousands of sales, and you won't get anywhere with it. He's had 50 sales, and right now is a perfect time to get in on it. I strongly recommend it. Again, 50 sales as opposed to 1,000 sales where you're going to have lots of competition. Guys, you're going to be making money with this. Trust me. So he says, even on its own, it's a great starting point. Sorry, I read that already. We're going to add your affiliate links to our internal promotions for these 3 products. That's right. Every time someone picks up a copy of Big Traffic Bundle, Zombie Ghost Mailer, or Mail Our List 25, you will get a chance to earn a commission. It is the ultimate passive income opportunity. So here's how it works. Step 1, pick up a copy of XMAS Income Monster today before the price goes up. If you delay, you'll pay more. Step 2, apply your 100% links to promote your 3 triple income products with guaranteed approval. Please follow the videos to a T. The Wood is very, straight to the point. He'll let you know if you didn't follow something correctly. You have to follow every video that he shows in his members area. I've been working with him for some time. It's something you need to do, okay, guys? Always, always, always follow the videos to a T. I can't say that enough. He likes it that way too, so it's more organized, because if you do something out of turn or whatever, then it just becomes a big, huge problem. Step 3, send us your Warrior Plus links and get them added to our sales rotator for passive income opportunities every time someone buys a copy of our 3 bestsellers. Okay, so you could be one of those links, right? And with 3 products, I mean, that's 3 products that you have a greater chance of making money off of, right? Especially out of 50 people. If you've ever made sales on Warrior Plus before, then or if you've never made sales, on Warrior Plus before, then this is a golden opportunity to get your first sales on board and increase massively your chances of getting approved to promote other offers. So, guys, here's the other thing is, if you're just starting out and you don't have any done-for-you programs like this, that are offering 100% commissions and something as lucrative as this, I'm going to tell you right now, get in on something like this, because he is exactly correct right there. The reason being is because it's harder to get sales as a beginner affiliate, because people won't exactly and I actually teach this in my free affiliate course that I'm making. I actually just did a video the other day where I explain the same thing, where it is hard to get promoted, like approved to promote offers. And when you do get sales under your belt, like I'm at a point now with Warrior Plus, where I'm getting um, I'm getting auto accepted to a lot of offers, because I literally have made enough sales that people are just like, yeah, sure, promote my product. Yeah, sure, promote my product. And I just keep getting accepted now. Like there's no, like I don't have to wait. I don't have to wait for them to say yes or no, but sometimes it was a no when I first started. So, that's the thing too. So yes, as he explains in his little thing there and his little profile, you get great passive income opportunity. Gives you the three ways to earn commissions. So simply, what he offers as bonuses for this, though, and I've already gone through what the product is, but I actually like how he did the background and stuff. That's actually pretty cool. I like that. So what he's also done is you benefit from three passive earning opportunities, complete done for you systems, step by step, easy to follow videos, which his videos are very easy to follow. A monkey could do it. Just pointing that out there. Get everything set up in minutes, suitable for total beginners. Improve your Warrior Plus score easily. All traffic provided by our internal promotions, and no technical skills whatsoever required. Okay, you don't have to do anything. You just send him the links. I'm telling you right now, it's the easiest thing. And this is the best thing he's ever come out with as far as Christmas goes. Like I've seen his bundles. I've gone in his bundles before, but this offer is just, I decided to do a review video on it because it blew my mind. Okay. Um, and I had to get in on it myself. You can take these 5 fast action bonuses for even better results. Bonus 1, time for chat. Learn all the best ways to profit from ChatGPT and AI. Bonus 2, the Tiger Report. Learn how to do internet marketing the right way during difficult operating conditions. Monthly Income System 2.0. Bonus 3, earn regular recurring income each and every month. And bonus 4, back to the basics. Go back to the basics with this amazing affiliate marketing training. And bonus 5, fast list now. Build a fast email list today. Okay, those are the bonuses you get. You do get a 100% money back guarantee, 30 days. But honestly, I mean, there's already a lot given. I think, I can't remember what he's charging. I have to go check it out here. Let's actually open this in a new tab just so I can get what the price is for you. So it's $19.95 right now. So $19.95, you guys can get access to this. I do highly recommend it, but for $19.95, you guys get like 2 or 3 different courses. You guys get all kinds of cool bonuses. And now we've reached the part of the video where I'm going to explain. I'm just going to quickly close that out because it's actually creating some lag. So the other thing is I'm offering 5 lucrative bonuses that will also help you in your journey. Just give me one quick second here. Sorry, guys, I just had to get into my Google Drive there for a minute. I wanted to go through, I put together 5 different reports for you guys for this. And these 5 different reports, you can already see 3 of them right now on the screen there. These 3 reports that I put together basically teach you, first of all, the first one says creating compelling content that sells. In this report, you'll learn how to basically make compelling content, obviously, that sells. You'll be able to find out what will be engaging, what will be high quality, creating that content that really gets people's eye and catches their eye and makes them want your whatever you're selling, and making the content that sells. The next thing is email marketing mastery. I've done a report on email marketing mastery. This will go into email marketing. It explains why email marketing. You get to learn about direct communication, high ROI, and things like that. The third bonus that I've added, or the third report, is maximizing your passive income potential. It'll teach you the idea of earning passive income, and then it'll teach you how you can do it while sleeping and things like that, and give you different strategies. The next thing is the ultimate guide to affiliate marketing for beginners. This is something that I put together. Basically, if you're a beginner in affiliate marketing, it'll teach you some strategies and things that you need to look out for, things that you need to build your affiliate marketing business, as well as the last bonus. I'm offering you a report on traffic generation secrets. Again, I'm also offering you down below my top traffic sources, but you'll learn some extra traffic generation secrets inside this report. You'll learn strategies, things like that, and how to get more traffic to your offers. So guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure again that you check out my written review on this if you would like to check that out. Like I said, I am offering those 5 bonuses. They are very, very lucrative. They have lots of information for you. Dawood is a great guy. I personally stand behind him fully in everything he has and does online. He's a great guy to work with. He has been very helpful over the years. I've known him since coming into affiliate marketing myself, and I have actually promoted quite a few of his products and sold a lot of his products actually, and it's been crazy. I do highly recommend this product 100% because it is not, again, something that he's offering for $19.95. I would honestly offer it for more to give you guys done for you. Again, done for you traffic, done for you sales, things like that, and to even offer you 100% commissions on the front end. Guys, I'd be charging a lot more. This guy is crazy when it comes to giveaways. He is definitely the giveaway king when it comes to giving away stuff. So guys, check it out. Check out the review from my review website, which is down below. You just have to look up XMAS Income Monster. It's in there. I didn't link the actual page, but you'll notice that I did link my website. So all you have to do is find the menu up top and then scroll over to money or make money online, passive income opportunities, or whatever it says, and then scroll down until you find Xmas Income Monster, and you can read that. You can also check out a lot of my other reviews. I hope to see you guys in the next video, and you guys stay cool. Cheers.